Hey there, fellow tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our YouTube channel, where we explore the fascinating world of cutting-edge equipment and gadgets. In today's video, we'll be diving into the top 5 next-level, latest equipment that will blow your mind with their incredible features and benefits. So, let's jump right in. Number 5. HyperVRX Headset. We have the revolutionary HyperVRX virtual reality headset. This amazing piece of technology takes VR to a whole new level. The HyperVRX features an ultra-high-resolution OLED display with a pixel density that's so high, you won't be able to distinguish individual pixels, resulting in stunningly sharp visuals. This means you'll be fully immersed in a virtual world that feels incredibly real. The 360-degree tracking system ensures that every movement of your head is accurately tracked, providing a seamless and immersive experience. But what truly sets HyperVRX apart is its advanced haptic feedback system. This system uses sophisticated actuators to provide precise vibrations and sensations, allowing you to feel the virtual environment with astonishing realism. Whether you're exploring fantasy realms, participating in thrilling adventures, or even undergoing virtual training, the HyperVRX is designed to transport you to new dimensions. Number 4. Quantum X Drone. Now, let's move on to number 4, the Quantum X Drone. If you thought drones couldn't get any cooler, think again. The Quantum X Drone introduces mind-blowing features that redefine aerial photography and videography. This drone is equipped with a powerful stabilization system that combines gyroscopes and accelerometers to ensure smooth and stable flight, even in windy conditions. The 4K ultra-high-definition camera captures breathtaking aerial shots with incredible detail and clarity. You can see every nuance and texture in your photos and videos. But what truly sets it apart is its autonomous flight capabilities. With the Quantum X Drone, you can pre-program flight paths using GPS waypoints, allowing the drone to fly on its own and capture cinematic shots with precision. Additionally, it's equipped with intelligent obstacle avoidance sensors, ensuring a safe and worry-free flying experience. The Quantum X Drone empowers filmmakers and photographers to unleash their creativity from the skies. Number 3. Genius Sound X7 Speakers. Next up, we have the Genius Sound X7 speakers. Get ready to experience audio like never before. These next-level speakers offer unparalleled sound quality and an immersive listening experience. The Genius Sound X7 utilizes advanced artificial intelligence algorithms to analyze your surroundings and optimize the sound output accordingly. It dynamically adjusts the equalization, volume, and other audio parameters to deliver the best sound possible based on the acoustics of your room. You'll be able to enjoy music, movies, and games with astonishing clarity and depth. Additionally, the Genius Sound X7 speakers support wireless connectivity, allowing you to effortlessly stream audio from your devices. You can easily connect your smartphone, tablet, or computer to these speakers and enjoy a wire-free audio experience. With the Genius Sound X7, you can transform your living space into a personal concert hall or a private cinema. Number 2. PowerMax 5000 Portable Charger. Moving on to number 2, we have the PowerMax 5000 Portable Charger. Say goodbye to battery anxiety. This innovative portable charger packs an astonishing 5,000 mAh battery capacity, ensuring you never run out of power on the go. It's compact and lightweight, making it easy to carry in your bag or pocket. But what sets the PowerMax 5000 apart is its blazing fast charging speed. It supports USB-C power delivery technology, which means it can deliver a higher wattage of power to compatible devices. This translates to significantly faster charging times compared to standard chargers. Whether you're charging your smartphone, tablet, or even a laptop, the PowerMax 5000 can handle it all. Additionally, it features multiple USB ports, allowing you to charge multiple devices simultaneously. With the PowerMax 5000, you can stay connected and powered up wherever you are, without any compromises. Number 1. Luminotech 8K OLED TV. And finally, taking the top spot on our list is the Lumino Tech 8K OLED TV. Prepare to be mesmerized by the stunning visuals of this state-of-the-art television. The Lumino Tech TV boasts an impressive 8K resolution, which means it has 4 times the number of pixels compared to a 4K TV. This results in an unprecedented level of detail and sharpness in the on-screen images. But it's not just about resolution. The Lumino Tech TV utilizes OLED display technology, which offers several advantages. Each pixel can individually emit light or turn off completely, resulting in perfect black levels and infinite contrast ratios. This means you'll experience stunningly vibrant colors, deep blacks, and lifelike visuals. The Lumino Tech 8K OLED TV also comes with built-in AI-assisted features. You can control the TV using voice commands, navigate through content effortlessly, and even integrate it with your smart home devices for a seamless and connected entertainment experience. With the Lumino Tech 8K OLED TV, you'll feel like you're stepping into a whole new dimension of visual entertainment. And there you have it, folks. Our top 5 next-level, latest equipment that will undoubtedly revolutionize the way we live, work, and play. Which one of these gadgets has captured your attention? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more exciting tech content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you